us.
That's right. We have some of these storms that are moving in, but the good thing is that nothing is severe at this point right now. So we are looking at the weather alerts across the area right now, and right now we have a flash flood watch in effect for mainly the coastal regions and some of our inland counties. It does not include Duval and down to the south around Jim Hogg, Brooks, and Kennedy County, but here in Corpus Christi we are included. That flash flood watch already in effect and will not expire until 7 o'clock on Saturday. So pretty much all day today and pretty much all day tomorrow as well, we have the potential to see some flooding rains for us here. Here is a look at the 3D live radar that we have going on. And again, one of these thunderstorms is beginning to move just into the Corpus Christi area. So let's take a 3D version of this. The good news is that a lot of these storms don't have height to them right now. So the reason we look at this is because of the potential for some hail, but these are not so tall right at this point. But again, they do have some depth to them, and again, could see some localized flooding with this particular storm that is moving into the south side of Corpus Christi at this point and stretching all the way up into portions of Rockport and into the northeastern half of our viewing area. These cloud tops are usually right at around 30 to 50,000 feet. That's where we could start to see a little bit of some small hail. But as you see here, a lot of these tops are going to about 24 to 30,000 feet at this point. So again, just minimal thunderstorms that are moving into the coastal bend right now. And as we take a look at what we have going on the south side, pretty much encompassing all of Corpus Christi at this point, we have some good downpours that are coming down, about to make its way into the downtown Corpus Christi area. So if we happen to get any warnings or anything like that, we'll be sure to pass those along to you. Nothing officially out at the airport yet, but look at Ingleside, already almost 3/4 of an inch of rain as of midnight, nearly 4/10 over in Port Aransas, and nearly 3/10 of an inch for our friends over into the Rockport area, where most of the activity has been offshore. Already about 3 to 4 inches has fallen within the last 2 to 4 hours. So just to show, I should say, how much that these storms could produce as far as rainfall is concerned. And don't forget, you can download our Storm Shield app. You can get the radar map, you can get the radar alerts, and again, it is free and available to download on Google Play and onto the App Store as well. The Storm Prediction Center does have most of the coastal bend in the marginal risk for some severe weather for much of the day today, where we could see some large hail. Again, not what we're seeing right now, but the potential is there, and to see some winds going in excess of 60 miles an hour, and also a low risk of some tornadic activity as well. Can't rule that out as well. So going into tomorrow, the entire area once again has the marginal risk for some severe weather, and I'm hearing the rainfall outside right now. Look at these potential rainfall forecasts. This is our American model here, and a good portion of the area could see around 1 to 3 inches, but there will be some spotty locations out there that could receive 4 to 6 inches of rain. This does not mean that everyone's going to get this. This is just a computer estimate for us here that we take a look at. Right now in Corpus Christi, that's a live look downtown. You can see some of the rainfall that is beginning to fall in downtown Corpus Christi. 71 degrees with the north-northwesterly wind at 12 miles per hour. Our hour-by-hour forecast does show the temperatures and the thunderstorm activity pretty much staying with us all day long, and those temperatures struggling to get out of the middle 70s, and forecast highs will be into the 70s and 80s across most of the region for today. And you can see that thunderstorm activity just moving into Corpus Christi. Again, not severe at this point, but again, if it does, we'll let you know here on Chris 6 News Sunrise. So scattered to numerous thunderstorms for much of the day today, going into Saturday as well. 1 to 3 inches is possible. Localized flooding as well. Do use caution, folks. But on Sunday into Monday, we begin to clear out and warm up. Paul.